What is happening, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new how-to video. It is Tuesday. It means in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get paid on YouTube in 2019. So last week I uploaded the video about how to monetize your videos, and if you want to see that video, make sure to check the link in the description, or you can just watch this video until the end. I will leave a click-through card in the outro so you guys can check it out. So now that you've watched that video, it is now time to actually get paid. I'm going to explain to you guys that in detail, so let's move on to step number 1. Right, so this is pretty obvious. You have to become a YouTube partner in order to actually get paid and make money and everything like that. So once you have actually become a YouTube partner and your videos are monetized, you will end up having an Adsense account. And an Adsense account is basically a account you will log in where you will see all your earnings, where you see your CPM, like how many dollars you get per 1,000 views, everything like that. But I get a lot of questions from people like, how does Adsense work? I cannot show it in today's video because I cannot access my own Adsense account because I'm not even managing my own payments. I mean, my MCN, my network, they just pay me every month. I haven't seen an Adsense account in, I don't know, 2.5 years. So right when this video is done, I'll be apping the management of my network to tell them, like, I want to record a video about how to set up Adsense. So that probably should release next week. So right now, what we need to do is, if you have an Adsense account, what we're going to do is, right now we're on Google, and I'm going to just type in Google AdSense like that. So then we will just come on this website and it will click through like that. Right here it says ads you can count on. Let's grow on your revenue while you focus on growing your business. So what we need to do is we have to log in because we've just been approved and everything like that. And guys, if you're not approved yet, just keep grinding the videos, get that 1,000 subscribers, get that 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months or the upcoming 12 months. Just keep grinding, and obviously eventually you will become a YouTube partner. So now what we need to do is we want to hit sign in at the top right. But as you can see right now, if I click sign in, I get this message. Looks like this Google account isn't associated with an AdSense account. That's okay. You can either sign in with the Google account associated with AdSense or sign up for an AdSense account today. So this is basically Google, and I'm already signed in, but I cannot log in into my own AdSense account. So that's not really necessary as well because I just receive a paycheck at the end of every month from my network. So what you need to do is log into your AdSense account, and in order to get paid, you want to optimize the settings. So I cannot get any further than just the login screen, but what I can remember from like a while back is once you've logged in into your AdSense account, you want to basically head over to the settings tab, and then what you want to do is just go ahead and, for example, if it's possible, type in your PayPal account. And what I also can remember is if you confirm your bank account, they're gonna probably, I don't know if they still do that, they're gonna probably, like, I don't know, send like 2 transactions to your bank account. For example, one is 4 cents and the other one is, for example, 18 cents, and you have to fill that in the website to confirm that it's really you. I don't know if they still do that. PayPal does it if you want to connect your bank account. I'm not really too sure. I cannot log in because if I hit sign in right here, I will just keep getting this message like, look like this Google account isn't associated with an AdSense account. So I'll be just, you know, figuring this out, and I'll be just, you know, having a quick call with my manager about this because I just wanted to create that video so you guys can show how AdSense works and everything like that. So in order to actually get paid, you have to optimize these settings, either confirm your bank account or PayPal, or if you live in the United States, you can just receive it by check. I don't really trust, you know, sending a check or sending like physical money in an envelope to your front door because if it gets lost, who's going to be responsible for that? So once you have optimized it, you can actually go ahead and confirm the payments. You have to wait until you get paid. In the video last week, I told you guys that there is a threshold or like a minimum amount you need to make every month in order to get paid, because usually, like back in the day, networks would promise you like, if you make a cent, I will pay you 1 cent. That doesn't really exist anymore. So the threshold is $100. So in order to get $100 every month, I would say you have to get at least 75,000 to 125,000 views every single month in order to get paid at least $100. So now that you will have everything set up, you're a YouTube partner, your AdSense account is optimized, everything like that, AdSense is a great platform to actually track your earnings and everything like that. So guys, make sure to stay tuned because next week we'll be going in depth in my actual AdSense account. I'm going to show you how to set up your payment settings, everything like that, because I can get any further than just, as you can see, the login screen. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Stay tuned for next week's video, and I'll see you guys obviously in tomorrow's video.
Yeah.